I welcome you to Veloxa Technology Limited, of which our product that I'm about to speak about is VeloxaRecruit, right? So VeloxaRecruit is an AI-powered hiring system, which is actually built by Africans, built in Africa, and built for Africans. So without wasting my time, I would like to take you through the process of how VeloxaRecruit the hiring process is done end to end, right? In the next 30 seconds, let me show you the magic behind VeloxaRecruit. So you come, this is our landing page, right? So we have a very nice user friendly landing page, right? So you can create an account. It's a free account with no charges, but then I will just go straight ahead to log in, right? So you come to log in, you went. Finally, you are welcome to VeloxaRecruit. This is where magic happens, right? So new account. So our new friend here will take you through the process and give you a home tour, right? But we are not going to do that. You come here. So this is the overview. The overview is actually giving the recruiter a glance of everything that is happening in the system, right? So you have your total jobs, active applications. You can have overview of whatever is happening, job creation, CV screen, interviews, name it. Yeah. So then you create a job, right? The first thing is to create a job, and the good thing about this is that we have a create with manually, that is the old school, and we have create with AI, right? So AI will help you to create a job. AI is not creating the job for you entirely. So this is how the AI works. So you come here and you need to specify all the details that you have for that particular job. So the role, job level, and everything, right? So you specify that, and then you click on generate with AI. So AI will generate a LinkedIn format job creation job format for you, and you have a link here that you can copy and share it on all platforms that you want to promote your jobs, right? So yeah, so that is it. And you come to applications. Let's say this job, you click application to track all applicants that came in. The good thing about here, the magic here is that you will be able to screen all your CVs. So whenever a CV comes in, it's automatically pending, right? So you click on screen all pending CVs, and all CVs that came in will be screened. We also thought about our recruiters that the cost of AI, right? So you can screen it one by one if you want to, or you can select maybe first 10, first 5, and then you screen, right? Yeah, so that is it. So after you screen, you are done screening, you come to CV rankings. The good thing is that our system is not giving you the headache of selecting who did well, who doesn't did well, right? So we rank your CVs applications for you, so from the highest to the lowest. Okay, so looking at this, so we have strong match, that's 74% score. So this is how it's going to be ranked from the highest score to the lowest score. So if you're a recruiter and you come to this page, you know that these first 10 are those who perform well, right? Okay, and in addition to this, you will have the opportunity to also have a very well detailed CV report, right? So you come here, you select your job, and so these are the report. So you would think, oh, this candidate was the first on the list. You want to confirm if actually he really deserved to be here, or he really deserved to be invited to an interview, right? So this is a very well detailed report on the candidate. So we have the category score detailed and everything, right? So this is all that. This is a well detailed report on the CV. Yes. And finally, you would think that, oh, okay, we want to proceed with this candidate. We want to have an interview with the candidate, right? So then you come to generate ticket. Okay, so you click on generate ticket, and an automated invitation will be sent to the candidate, right? So generate ticket works like magic. So let's see if the message came. Okay. Yeah, tada, this is it. So this is so this is how the message will look like. So interview invitation, dear Ivan Socher, and you have your ticket code, you have your interview link, and you have your valid for 5 days, right? So let's start an interview and then let's see how it goes. So start interview. Let's first copy our link here. Then let's click on start interview, right? Okay. So we are starting an interview as a candidate. So you paste your link here, you click on continue to start your interview session with the AI, right? So this is very magic. And here it gives you a prep. You should have a very strong network. Make sure that your surrounding is very quiet. Once you start, you can't stop, right? So if you're okay, you can click on start interview. If you are not, you can click on come back later. Your ticket will still be active, right? So let's go to start interview. All right, so this is it. Start interview. So
hi John, it's great to meet you. I see you have an impressive background in machine learning and AI engineering. Can you share what attracted you to this machine learning engineer role and how you envision contributing to the projects focused on benchmarking and improving model performance?
hi, all right, so thank you very much for this opportunity. I'm very happy to apply for this role. The very reason why I applied for this role is because of my experience in machine learning and how I've used machine learning to solve real world problems. So I'm here and because we are going to use machine learning to solve real world problems. Oops, kind of shit. Where is it? Yeah. So so after your first question, it will come with a follow-up question, right? Yeah, so that is basically how it works.
Can you provide an example of a project where you used
Yeah.
Python and PyTorch for machine
So
learning?
I
What
mean
specific
that's a long
libraries and
process, so
frameworks did you
we'll
utilize,
proceed
and what was
with
the project outcome?
yeah, so back. Yeah, so that was a brief of the interview, right? It's very interesting to have this interview. Okay. Yeah. So assuming you are done with your interview, the recruiter is like, okay, so what next, right? So you come to interviews, okay, and you come to interviews, and these are the interviews that you've had. You can select the type of job that you want to check the interview, right? So this particular job, I mean 3 interviews, right? So the good thing here is that you can also go to replay mode and replay. Oh, okay, so this is the one I was doing. I didn't finish. Let me get a complete one. All right, so this one was completed, right? Yeah. Yeah, so you see you have all the questions here, so you can replay. You can replay whatever happened during the interview, right? You were not there, but then you have the ability to replay and then feel it. Okay, so yeah, great, thank you. So my thought will be that I have a very deep understanding. Right. So that was the interviewer speaking, right? Yes, exactly. It's magic. I know. You are welcome. Yeah. I know you are saying, "Ah, this is magic." Yeah, this is magic. So that is it. And after that, you think, oh, okay, this candidate actually qualifies, right? But how? Do you just based on this brief analytics? No. Okay, so let's check this guy, Ivan Swache, right? We come to interview reports. Interview report will give you a well-detailed report on the interviews, right? So this guy is done. So let's check. Let's view. Okay, so after the interview, you have a very well-detailed report on the candidate. So we have overall technical, soft skills, communication, right? And soft skills, communication, technical, and like that. Okay, so this is it. And the AI is that we've prompted and we've directed it in such a way that it's able to identify roles, right? So when you are applying for the job, you are creating the job, you'll be able to select both if it's technical or non-technical, right? Industry and everything. So it detects all those before it gives you the analysis. So it's a industry tailored inside that it gives, right? Yeah, so this is actually a technical rule, so that is why you could see it this way. But if it wasn't technical, it was finance, you could see maybe financial something, money something, something relating to finance, right? So that is basically it. And okay, so now we are convinced, right? Though he didn't perform well, but you are convinced you want to accept him. Though you come here and you come to accept, right? So you can either accept or reject the candidate, right? So yeah, so you accept the candidate. That means that the candidate have been accepted, and you have to send an email to the candidate, right? So you come to emails here. Yeah, so emails here, compose email, and offer letter, right? So you fill in your details here, the salary and everything, and then you share it with the company, with the candidate, right? Okay, so one good thing, you can come to teams, right? We all thought about is CEOs and managers. We want you all to have a glance of whatever is happening in the recruitment system. So we created a team management. Team management gives the HR recruiter, whoever signed up to the system is automatically the HR recruiter or someone who has the ultimate access to all the features. So you can invite a team member. Either you want to invite your CEO, you enter your CEO details, email, full name, select a role. So CEO can either read, they only have a read access, right? They can't create job, so that they can be part of the hiring process, the recruitment process, wherever they are. They will see everything. We are doing this to reduce bias in recruitment, right? Africa deserves better. We need to take the bias from jobs. You know, we have qualified candidates who are jobless now, right? Who could help the companies reach a certain level that they wouldn't even dream of. But then, because of biases and some inconsistencies in hiring, they are still in the house, right? The systems, So that is where we are coming in, and you can also track your billings because you are dealing with AI. You'll be able to track your billings. So this is it, right? You have so you'll be able to track, subscribe, or upgrade your plan, right? Yeah. So thank you very much. So this is it. This is Veloxa technology for you. This is where hiring in Africa is created. Whenever someone thinks of hiring, they think of Veloxa Recruit.